I want you to stop what you're doing right now because I have a secret. There's a house coming on the market right here in Seneca. It's not going to last long, so I need you to take a look at 809 Shawnee Avenue. Uses fieldstone for the foundation. It has multiple porches, newer windows, and the best kept secret of all is this magnificent acres on a park-like setting. Equipped with a fire pit area, an RV hookup with water and electric, and woods as far as the eye can see. There's also a shop that has a concrete floor and electricity. Entering the home, we come into this sunroom that right now is being used as a toy room. Stepping into the living room, notice the hardwood floors are absolutely beautiful. This rock fireplace is gas logs. And this door walks out to a covered deck area. Fabulous kitchen, and all appliances stay except the freezer. Off of the kitchen is a nice laundry room, and then we enter the primary suite. Upstairs, we have the 2 remaining bedrooms and the second bathroom. This room does have central heat and air. Both of the bedrooms do. Just have an auxiliary air conditioning unit if needed. The second bedroom, again with heat and air. There's an attic fan. And then the bathroom is accessible through both bedrooms. Spectacular view of the backyard from this bathroom. If you're looking for a wonderful 3-bedroom, 2-bath home in the Seneca city limits, you need to come and check out 809 Shawnee Avenue.